Hey, hi guys. So today we are going to discuss about the edit text example and details about the edit text. I hope you have already checked out my previous video related to the text view. If not, just go ahead and check out that one first. And after that, let's go ahead for the edit text. So in this particular example, in this particular tutorial, we are going to discuss about the edit text. And in subsequent also in the video, we will discuss about all these UI components like button, image box, checkbox, toggle button and all these things. Okay, without wasting the time, so let's go ahead and discuss about the edit text. So let me go to the, so these are the all text view examples. So let's directly jump into the edit text. Okay, so edit text, so this is where, so edit text, so I think you know how the what is the syntax and all. Okay, so let me go to the Android Studio and show you how an edit text you can create an edit text. So you just go ahead here and you can just type ed and automatically the hints is going to come. You can just press an enter, just do a match parent and do a wrap content. I think it is better. Okay, so this is the syntax of the edit text. Okay, you can also create that using any Java class also, means that is main activity.java. Okay, so now how, so first of all what you need to do, you need to create a new project. I think you know all about this. File, new project, just give any name. Okay, just give any name, suppose edit text example, edit text example. Okay, so edit text example, so and you just need to click on next, and then just click select empty activity and just click on next, and yeah, just finish. So that's, after that you are going to get this particular activity main.xml. Okay, so you can see, so in this particular tutorial, so we are going to learn what are the attributes. We are generally going to learn about the 10 attributes. There are other attributes also present, but in this particular example or in this particular class we are going to discuss about the 10 most frequently used attributes in edit text. Okay, so let's go ahead and start one by one. So what is the first one is id. Okay, I had actually meant all the comments here. That means let's write the code for id. We'll see, we'll discuss about id, then text, then gravity, then text color, text size, text style, background, hints and hints color. So these are the very important attributes of the edit text. But I think if you have not checked out my previous video, all these above attributes, like all these attributes, we have already discussed in case of text view, and that is same as that of edit text. That means if you'll see, so this is the, also I have, this comment I have copied from the text view, that's why it is copied as text view, but it should be edit text. So text view also have id, so we have already discussed text, gravity, text color, text size, text style and background. All these things we have already discussed in case of text view, but still I will just quickly recap it because we are discussing a new topic. But if you are interested, you can go ahead and check out my previous text view video. Yeah, you will get the details. Okay, so let me do a text. So we are discussing now which attribute? id attribute. Okay, so id attribute means, id attribute, what is the let me complete it. Yeah, what is the objective of id attribute? So this is a edit text. I hope you understand, right? What is edit text means? Edit text id. Okay, let me run this particular project. Let me run this particular project so that you will get a clarity what is edit text means. Edit text means like a text field. You can enter something into that particular text field, right? So that is like a edit text. Okay, so okay, in the meantime it is running. So id is nothing but the, that is a unique identifier of this particular edit text, so that if you want to retrieve the value in future, so that you can call by using this particular id. Okay, so it is edit text like a text field, right? So if somebody enters something and you want to retrieve that once in somewhere, then you can use this particular id and you can retrieve it. Let's go ahead. Okay, now you can see this is the edit text. You are able to see, right? So this is the edit text. That means you can enter. So suppose you want to retrieve this value and use somewhere else. Suppose this is username, suppose something username, so I am entering Vijay as a username. So that particular Vijay must be retrieved somewhere in different program, right? So that's why we need the attribute id. By using this id, I can retrieve the value. Okay, so that is all about id. Okay, so let's talk about text. Text means, let's copy this. Actually, I am not going to, let's create. Yeah, what is text? Text means, just text means to give some text, default text to that particular, suppose not Vijay, so suppose edit text example. Okay, so you can see, so it will be the some default value is going to present in that particular so in this particular edit text. Okay, it is giving some error because both the id cannot have the same name, so that's why it is giving that particular id. Okay, error it was giving. So now I think you can see, so it is not giving any error now. Okay, so how about now let's go for the next attribute, that is gravity. Okay, so gravity I think you know, right? So suppose you want to align this particular text somewhere, then the gravity plays an important role. Okay, so let's rename this particular id to 3. Okay, and put some text maybe. Okay, text something abcd. Okay, then let's put the gravity. Okay, gravity android colon gravity, so that is the attribute. So you can write center horizontal I think. So you see, so whenever you are writing, it is going to the center. Okay, so now, so that is all about gravity. You can there are different values are there. You can write left, bottom, left, end. Suppose if you write end, so then this particular text is going to be right, means at the right hand side, end. Let me write it, you will see. Just see, it is coming to the end. Okay, so this is all about gravity, that is generally used for the alignment purpose of the text. So now let's come over the text color. Okay, so suppose you are taking this particular example. Okay, so let's take copy and paste another edit text and just change the id. So because id is same, means that it is going giving error. So let me add some text color. So text color means text and color. So android colon text color, so that is the attribute. So you can write any color. So I'm just giving the primary, maybe not visible. Okay, let's take some different color. So maybe accent, yeah, it will be visible. You can see, so now it has this color of this particular text. So whatever the text I have given some random text, the changing, right? So this is all about the text color attribute of this particular edit text. So these are edit text, actually edit text, not text view, because I copied it from text view, edit text. So this is just comment also. So you must be knowing how to add the comment in case of XML file. Okay, so these are the comment lines. So I'm just putting for understanding purpose. Okay, so I hope you understand. Okay, so let's go to the text size. Text size is just one thing, but you might not able to read this particular text, right? So text size is to increase the size of the text. So if you want to increase the size of the text, let me increase the size of the text. Suppose I'll write the text as Vijay. Okay, let me remove the id because we are not using that one. That's okay, we can use it whenever it is necessary. It got stuck a little bit, just wait for a minute. But Vijay is here, but you are able to see it. But if I want to increase the font of this uh, particular text, then I can use the attribute text size. Okay, so text size, okay, text size is equal to 20 dp. Anything you can give, just see. Oh sorry, hyphen was that's why it is not rendering. You can see 20 dp or maybe 30 dp. See how much big. If you want is more bigger, then you can give 50 dp. Okay, so that's up to you, but this is the objective of the text size. Okay, and now coming to the text style is for general to bold, italic, whatever things you want to mention to that particular text, so you can add here. So so suppose I want to make that particular edit text as bold. Okay, bold. Okay, sorry, text style is equal to bold. So then this is going to be bold. Now you can see the difference between first Vijay and second Vijay. First one is normal, second one is bold. Okay, so after that, if you want to give some background color, you can see in the background there is no color, right? But if I want to give some background color, so let's give some background. Okay, background. Okay, background as some color, anything. So just see, now the background color has been changed. Okay, so but these are the things whatever we have discussed till now. We have already discussed most of the things in text view, but these are the two attribute, very important attribute in case of edit text. Let me paste it. Okay, so let me give only the hints means, so let me remove all these text color and all gravity and all, so that you will able to understand what I'm trying to say. So let me just give a the attribute is android colon hints. Okay, just put it and just give any hint. Suppose this is enter username. Suppose I will put a enter username. Okay, so let's run this particular. This is a hint is an important attribute. So let's understand what do you mean by hint actually. So maybe text size, let's remove this. Okay, whether it is running actually. It gave it some time, but you can see what will happen. So whenever this particular edit text will so you can see some text as a hint in that particular edit text. Okay, so that is the main objective of hint attribute. You must have seen that one in a lot of the examples or maybe real world applications. Okay, so now I think it is launching. Let's just wait for a minute and we'll able to see. Yeah, okay, I think there is no space, so let me do one thing. Let me remove some of the above. I think we can do some alignment and all, but let me remove this. So now let me rerun it so that we'll able to see you will able to see what is happening here for our hint example. Okay, so it will show a hint whenever you will in the edit text that enter username, it will show a hint. Okay, so I think it is rerunning. So up as you see, so enter username, so this is a hint. Okay, this is not the text actually. So you see, if you enter it something, it is going. So I hope you understand, right, what does hints mean. So you see, so whenever you are going to enter something, so it is asking enter username, so that means you want you to enter the username. So if you are removing once, so it is again asking. So it is a hint, not a hint, sorry, not a text. It is not a text, remember. So this is a text, that means if you are clicking, this text is present, right? But this is a hint. So that is the difference between text and hint. Okay, so that is the very important thing I just wanted to tell. But if you want to give some color, so like here maybe it is little bit not prominent to read you, so then also there is a attribute which is known as hint color. Okay, so I'll show you in another edit text. So just give a hint. Okay, hint as anything. So enter username, enter password. Okay, so enter password, and once you enter it, so then you will give a hint color. Okay, text color hint actually, not hint color, text color hint. So this is the attribute. So you can give any color actually, primary dark I'm just giving. So let me rerun this particular project. So just click on that, there it is going to run it. Okay, so I think it will reopen. So you can see it is the Gradle is building and all. So it will take 1 minute, not 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Just wait for a minute. We are good. You are going to see this. Okay, that's okay. So you see, enter password. So enter password, enter username has come, but enter password has come in different color. Why? Because we have used one attribute which is known as hint color. That means text color hint actually, the exact attribute. So which is responsible for giving the color to the hint. Okay, so just if you click, so that is going to vanish. Okay, so these are the important attributes or important attributes of the edit text. So there are a lot of other attributes also there, so you can go ahead and check it out also, but these are the very important important attributes of the edit text. Okay, so in this lesson we have learned the edit text and its all the attributes. Okay, thanks for watching. Just like this video. If you have any comments, just comment it and subscribe to this particular channel. Also, yeah, try to play with this particular edit text. Thank you.